has been doing very good work, and the Indian Startup Foundation also has been doing very good work to promote startups in Hyderabad and Telangana. As a part of that, today they have having a curtain raiser for AI companies, and I'm happy to be here. And the government of Telangana is having a special focus on promoting AI startups in Hyderabad. We will support them in every way, in infrastructure, in incentives, in providing the right atmosphere, and also make sure that they don't have any problem of engaging the right skilled manpower. My best wishes to Mr. Chowdhury.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sivamahesh Tanguturu. I am the co-founder and director for International Startup Foundation. And today we are doing the curtain raiser event for ISF Global AI Summit, which is going to happen in Dallas, USA in May 29th and 30th of 2025. And this is our first curtain raiser for that event. The main theme of our conference, which is going to happen in Dallas, is what are the different AI applications in various sectors that we are seeing. This is one theme. And the second theme that we are doing is Junicorns Startup Festival. This is also a global AI, global Junicorn Startup Festival. The idea behind this is we want to support the age group of children between 10 years and 18 years who are going to be the future entrepreneurs. We want to help them get them a lot of exposure with different mentors and how to start a company, how to solve the real life problems, and hence we are planning to take as many as 100 budding school entrepreneurs from India to USA, and also many US entrepreneurs also going to join us for this event. And what we want to focus mainly in the US conference is with the startups who are very much interested in AI applications, how they can pursue the AI applications in different sectors. We want to bring the startups from India and US, blend them together so that the cross-border support will happen over there. So that's the main idea. And today during this curtain raiser, we are mainly focusing on two topics. One is AI in healthcare and AI in education. These are the two main upcoming sectors where AI is lot of progress is happening and which is also required. And we see that the CEO of T-Hub and Professor Sunny Anand from Stanford University has all the way came here to join this conference, and we have a different CXO level people joining this conference from different cities of our country today. Yeah.
Good morning. I am Satyendra. I am co-founder and director of International Startup Foundation. So ISF has, we have started it in 2022 under the chairmanship of J.A. Chowdhury Garu, and within 2 years we are able to run large conferences, and more than 15 to 20 countries delegation has come for the last conference in September in Hyderabad. So the ISF is a non-profit organization, and it is completely driven by the volunteers, and who volunteers take out the time from their other business and the professional work and work as a volunteers. And ISF basically provides a marketplace for the startups and the investors to come together, and we work on the 3M principles, that is mentorship, market access and money. We provide these three to the startups, and through this startup through this ISF network we would have funded more than 50 crores to the startups, and also we handhold them till they get succeeded. So apart from these conferences, we also take the pitch sessions online every Saturday from 8:30 to 9:30, where investors from the from the other countries also join, and we give a opportunity for 2 startups every week to give their pitch. So today we are here in IIIT Hyderabad for a curtain raiser program for AI Global Summit, which is going to happen in US in Dallas next year on 29th and 30th of May next year. And one day will be completely dedicated to the Junicorns. So Junicorns are the next generation entrepreneurs whom ISF is going to handhold them from the age between 18 to 20 years. So by mentoring them, we want to ensure that they are not just doing the jobs. They should be the job creators rather than the job seeking So, and one full day will be completely on the AI summit, where the global CXOs will be participating in the event, and we look forward for your continuous support. And thanks for making ISF a great success. Thank you.
My name is Ram Chilukuri. I am founder and CEO of a company called Semantic Bits, which I exited in 2022. I attended the last ISF conference. I was supremely impressed, with the momentum it has, and the work that all the volunteers are doing to help the startups here. There are many interesting startups. That's why I came back to attend this session here. I congratulate everyone that is part of this effort, and hopefully, like Jay Garu says, we'll get a bunch of unicorns coming out of all the support that ISF is providing to the upcoming startups. Good luck.
I'm Dr. Bhanu Prakash Reddy Varla, ISF co-founder, and I also run my company called Plural Technology. I'm the board of director of Plural Technology. Today is the curtain raiser for ISF Global Event Key. And last 3 years, we've been working hard, striving hard to bring this ISF to the global arena. And we're very proud and happy that today, the international event for ISF is going to start with a very unique model, where we are now trying to work out with Junicorns. This is for the young kids that we are trying to nurture them, so that, people say, as you sow, so shall you reap. So, ela seed manam ela starting nunchi ela eyali pillalki avagana kalpicharani cheppesi ee ISF event ni we are trying to put forth, and all the ecosystem which is here, especially in Telangana area, we are all trying to bring them here, like T-Hub, T-Works, TIE, and all these events are going to come here. I'm going to work on this actually. We are very proud and happy. I am the co-founder of ISF, and I'm very proud and happy to see that such a great event, people are coming here, giving their hand to us to help us to give more ideas. That is what we require. And we are also meeting a lot of schools, not only the international schools or the schools, and we are also meeting a lot of the government schools, and taking them to US and giving them experience about how the international arena is working. And especially, we are talking about AI and other things. We want to see where we stand, and we are working hard towards that. And I really wish the ISF, we wanted your good wishes for ISF even to be more successful. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Seshadri Wangala. So I'm one of the co-founders of this International Startup Foundation, led by, obviously, you all may be knowing, my mentor, Dr. Jay Chaudhary. So I think basically I always say this, we are a 2.5 years social impact startup. For society, we started this. So it's in this 2.5 years, we had almost 50,000 startups that registered with us. So as part of that, we are doing some of the events, but also we call this as a movement rather than event, because all of us are pro bono volunteers coming from different backgrounds, diverse backgrounds across the globe, who are trying to do their bit in the society. Right from the CEOs of major global corporations to the Gen Z, and also, Gen Alpha, whatever you call it, the next generations. So our intention of this is just, we didn't even move. These are all just a beginning. We began. So AI, of course, is a buzzword for the era, but it's not only AI for us. Calling what we are saying is artificial intelligence to apply AI. So the main concept of this is we have certain things that are happening in the US and also other parts of the globe, in Europe next year. But our aim is not the routine startups. We want to go from the junior level, right from you, right? So what do you understand about AI? Again, have that. So Junicorns is a concept, something from the below preteen level to almost get to the schools and understand what entrepreneurship is all about. and take that to the places, and also have them groomed and mentored by the right mentors who are from the industry, not just somebody who's a college professor, college lecturer. I'm saying that it all starts there, but you have actual industry experience. So that's the moment that we have kind of some interactions with industry, showcasing with industry, globally kind of exchange programs. That's the reason all of this is happening. So our aim is to kind of have a good number of people. Well, target this movement has just begun. All I request is everybody to part of this movement. We are there to help. And here we don't charge, unlike many. This is not something that you think. Please think that this is a thing for you. As long as you have the passion, you have the ability, you want to change the world, we need the change makers to be coming in this particular movement. Okay, thank you.
I am Dr. Ravindranath, the Chairman and Founder Global Hospitals Group and also Global University Foundation. International Startup Foundation Healthcare Roundtable we just participated, and there is so much happening in artificial intelligence across the world in different sectors. In healthcare it has got a huge opportunity. For that we need data, proper data from the hospitals or from the primary health centers everywhere, and patient acceptance is also very important for that. These data is going to be capturing is the key. Right now in India we do not have a good data except a few hospitals across the country. I think what we discussed today is this artificial intelligence to play an important role in healthcare is dependent on data and data capturing properly, and also using the AI and data analytics. We can come with models which can prevent diseases, and we can diagnose early cancers and various serious illnesses, so that we can treat with the least cost and also best outcomes. That is how we should see as a preventive healthcare than a sick patient. Treating sick patients is a very expensive model. Preventing healthcare is the future of healthcare, not only in India, across the world. For that we need data. And also every patient who comes to the hospital, and hospitals also have to agree to work together so that we can have large data banks, which will give us the opportunity for training the artificial intelligence models to help the patients and help the country.